Hey, look at the two little moths here. Right on my front door. I don't know if that's a very good picture, but I have that one there. And this one is kind of different. He's kind of different. Let me back up, see if I can get a better look at him somehow. And they're not very big. There's my finger. Look, that's my index finger. Look how big that thing is. He's not very big, you know, compared to my finger. The same with this one. Where is he? Okay, here's my finger coming in. Look at my finger. Look at him. Pretty small, ain't they? But that's nature for you. Different shapes, different sizes, different things. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.